we'll guide you through how to use the ChatGPT Editor effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website to access ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, you'll find the ChatGPT Editor under the Tools section. Click on it to open the editor interface. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you'll see a text box where you can start typing your content. To get started, you can type or paste your text into this box. On the right side, you'll find options to modify the text. You can use the write function if you want to get different versions of a sentence or paragraph. This is great for finding the perfect way to phrase something. If you're looking to improve the quality of your writing, click on the Enhance button, which suggests grammar, style, and clarity improvements. Need to focus on a specific tone or style? Use the Tone Adjust feature to set the mood of your text, whether it's formal, friendly, or something else. As you make changes, the editor tracks these so you can always revert back to previous versions if needed. There's also a character count at the bottom to help you keep track of your word limit, especially useful for social media posts or emails. Once you're happy with your edits, you can copy the text directly from the editor and paste it wherever you need. This tool is designed to make your writing process smoother and more efficient, saving you time and effort. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.